I know somebody is very happy. Her gas range has just arrived. Yeah. That is the Fujidenso matte black series. So a 55-inch gas range with 3 burners. Alright, so let's open the box. So the cover is open. Yeah, just lift this up, this box. And there you go. Oh, nice. Oh. Ta-da! Ooh. Oh, looks nice. Yeah. Wow, how come you have 4 of these? Oh, sorry, 5. I don't know what they are. So it's all glass in front, and you have all the stuff. I think they're the feet. Yep, nice. Okay. All right. So glass cover as well. Top cover. Attention. And right. Side. Put it aside. Oops. Right. And these are the 3 burners, so they're all complete. Looks good. Be there. Like that. There you go. Over. This one goes here. Look nice. And of course, so this stainless top cover is good. So I don't know this, so I don't know how to operate them yet. So on the side you have steel, and how come there's electric? I don't know what the electric is for. So the gas, I presume, goes in there. And so that's the model 5530T. So this one doesn't have the rotisserie function, and it's made in PRC, or that's China, People's Republic of China. Alright, so made of steel. Made of steel as well, of course. Glass top, glass front, stainless steel. Yeah, pretty good value for money at a little over 10,000 pesos, or about 11,000 with a delivery charge via Lazada. So yeah, this is great. All we need now is to attach the regulator, and you have the LPG, and there it is. It's just for temporary, just for now, so we can try it for the first time. This is the first time to have an oven, and we don't know how to fire it. So through YouTube I learned how to do it. So the way to do it is, because you need a match or a lighter, and with this will so you have to push that, and you have to, what's there,
Push and light up.
one more.
One more. Light up and push.
Ulitin mo na, ulitin mo. There you go. Did you see it?
Yeah, there is it.
There's fire here at the bottom.
Fire. Okay.
Yeah,
Enough?
so to adjust the temperature, you have to push, turn. Otherwise, it won't move. Yeah. Yes. So put it at the lowest to burn the greases and oil
Enough.
during the cook. So my wife's gas range is now placed in one of the corners of the kitchen, and we're using Soleil for the LPG. It's currently plugged, so you can use the light inside. Okay, turn it off. No, it's not. It's just purely gas. So the light there is just the electric there is just for the light. So guys, thank you. Hope this video has been helpful to you. in your shopping or searching. Thank you. Bye bye.